Hello, friends. So, in the previous section, we have looked at we have the app which we have made was giving this result, and we have to make it aligned so that it looks fine and good enough for that. So, this is our logo which we have given here. So, basically which we have given to toolbox underscore logo, and we have put in the src and require that logo. So now we have to make some changes so that it may be streamlined. So for that, we take the toolbox logo navigation. So we just write it toolbox and it's logo. So logo and navigation. So we can check the name of this if you have any type of thought that we are taking the name which is there only. So you will see that we have taken the toolbox logo, which is coming from toolbox logo navigation. So that's why we are taking toolbox logo navigation. So here, when we are taking toolbox logo navigation, so here the display and height. So height, previously we are taking 100%. So that we can see it, and with respect to its display property, so we are not taking the grid display, we will be taking flags. More about the flags in the coming my other series. I will be telling that what it has, and how many flexible features Flax is having. So up to now, the display we are taking as Flax, and by default, it is giving the padding of 0. So we will take the padding, and padding we will place 0, and we will give the 1 RAM also, so that some streamline we can get with respect to padding also. And we want to align that item, uh, and that item we want to align in center. So we will align it. So we will align basically that item. So we can align item. So um, so here we can take like this, and uh, we can um, uh, we can align by that we can align basically center. So it's center, we can align it. So we will take align center. So 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 basically this aligning is done. So now it's all right. So we have just put it like that way. So aligned, it is aligned now. So toolbox navigation is with respect to will be coming along, but we have to do something with respect to image also. So we have basically toolbox logo image. So we will place logo, and we will place the image there because we have the image there. And this we will take toolbox logo dot image. So basically it will be, this image will be having border. So firstly we will have this border we will take 1 pixel. So we will take 1 pixel, border, and we will say that this border is solid, and we will place uh, white color border, so that we can look the border with respect to the image. So after doing this, that when we have selected the border, we give the color also in the same, that it will be white only. So here we can mention it white, that we want to get it white color. And basically border radius, what will be, so um, it will be the border radius we want to place at 4 pixel. So we will take it 4 pixel. And about the padding, so here padding again, we will go for here 5 pixel. So it will be fair enough to give the 5 pixel rating, because the logo frame will be making in that case. So after making 5 pixel, the width also we have to take care. So width we will be given 150 pixel, that will be cooler enough. And text decoration, we don't want text decoration. So um, we will say that we don't want any, just normal text decoration. And font size, basically 2 RM will be great for this. So up to now, so we have placed it. So you are seeing that uh, the React application has now come. And now we have to do this home, about that we have to shift this on the right hand side, so that it looks fine. So we will do processing with respect to our there are a few more sizes we will be defining to get this. Uh, we want some spacer. So for spacer, exactly in the toolbox here, when we will be having this up in the basically in the toolbox. So here, where we have placed the home, below that we will be placing the spacer. So after the navigation, if you will see that we can have one div class. And we can place this div class like that. So here you can place one more div. And you can give the class name. And we will give the class name, just like uh, we want basically a spacer here. So we can give the class name as spacer. So spacer like that, we can give the class name. So what it will do, that it will help us to create the space between two more links. So suppose that now if we have one more link than this, if we have other link, just like uh, online service. So online service, if we have like this, if we just have this link like that, then I want, if you see currently that there will be no spacing between them. So I want that there should be some spacing there. So for this I will be writing one class where it will be giving me space with respect to this. So I will be putting one spacer. So we will be taking one spacer like that. And in this spacer, I will put the flex basically So I will put flags of 1 RM. So this flags of 1 RM will give a cool spacing. So see, spacing is reduced, it's coming a cool spacing, but more we have to do. So in the next video, we will counter some other unordered list and the ordered list, how we will be collecting all those things here. So keep watching the video. In the next video, we will discuss about the ordered list and the unordered list we will be creating in the CSS. Okay, thank you.